Hello, we are answering some more Domo questions. So this one is from Will Bail. Okay, will bail you out of jail. All right. Export dash as PDF from button in UI. We're using Domo Embed API and they have a client who would like us to create a report rather than use a dashboard, right? They requested functionality, which will allow them to simply click a button, build to UI, they allow them to export the content. We plan to build the report out just as if it were a dashboard embed. However, the concern is they might not be able to print it. Does anyone have any insight into what to do? Cool. Hey, so we got a couple options that we can do. First of all, if you in your embed, the easiest one is if you just select allow export in your embed, then this is one of my pages that's embedded. Now I can, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even on the right page. This one of my pages that's embedded. You can see, yeah, every one of your cards will have this little button. And now you can export whatever you want as, I could say export this as a PDF. Cool. And it's going to do the whole shebang. So it's going to take a while since I got a lot in here. So if I hit this one though, it's just going to put it as the table, right? That's one option. So if they wanted to pick and choose, they can get the table of the data. But if I wanted the whole thing, that's still doing its job at the top. Okay, so that's one option. Let's look at some other options that you got though. What we can do, this is the same page. If I hit this, I can say schedule as a report. I could say go give it to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever I want. I can put someone's email in here and the email of the entire page will show. So if you have a lot in your dashboard, it's going to be an email of basically a giant picture of all this stuff. But maybe it's what they need. Who knows? So that's one way to do it. Another way that you can do it is you can obviously schedule as export as a PDF, but why would you want to do that for somebody? You want them to have control. You could do this publish as a slideshow, by the way, and I'm just going to select everything. I don't really care right now. And we are going to make this public just for fun. For fun, put it in here. You could do it that way, where now they have a link to a slideshow. And as they go through the slideshow, whatever they want to pick is, I'm moving too fast. It hasn't loaded yet. Okay, let's say I want this for some reason as a PDF or picture. I can right click it and I could say save an image. So you got options that you can do in there. If you allow that export though, now you can make it as a PDF. So what I will say about this is the PDFs are not, my opinion, not the best. They just spit out a bunch of stuff. It's not really made how you might want it to be. That's when we have to use page break. So if I go to edit dashboard on mine, options, page break, now I would have to create my dashboards in a way, there's one page break where at least everything I want on a page is put in place. So now I know how I want to export it. So a lot of stuff. Hopefully that helps, but you got some options now. All right, good luck.